Hello there and welcome back to the Pipsoclock weekly news preview for the first week of December, beginning Monday the 2nd to Friday the 6th of December 2024. And this week we are going to be focusing as usual on the high impact events. These are to help us to know when to be in the market and when not to be with regards to the economic calendar. So you want to use the information in this preview to decide what to do with your trading this week. Nothing here in any way serves as investment advice. Note also that trading comes with high risks and you want to do your own research and also consult your financial advisor where you need any. Having said that, let's quickly head on to the economic calendar. Before us here is the Forest Factory calendar, and you can see that Monday is filled with low impact events. And so, if you look at that, it's only until 4 p.m. on Monday, December 2nd, that you have the from the US ISM manufacturing PMI. So you can decide to trade the numbers, you can decide to let it come out, and then you decide on the trend of the market thereafter. Then on Tuesday, you have at 8:30 a.m. the CHF CPI month on month. So you could decide to trade the numbers, you could decide to just note it and allow the trend to be determined. Then you take your action. You want to look at CHF pairs like USD CHF, CAD CHF, and so on, Euro CHF, and so on and so forth. Then at 4 p.m., we return to the US again for the JOLTS job openings. All right, so you want to consider pairs like USD JPY, JPY USD, Euro USD, USD CAD, and so on. And on Wednesday at 1:30 a.m., GDP quarter on quarter from Australia will be released, and you may want to trade the numbers because the gap between the forecast and the previous is quite high, about 0.3%. So you may want to consider trading the numbers here. All right, and that is if you want to be awake to pick 20 pips or more out of this. Then at 10 a.m., the Bank of England governor Belly will be speaking in a pre-recorded interview, kind of a speech, the pre-recorded speech, and you want to monitor that closely. You want to make sure that you don't have trades open at this time. Let the speech be gone or be done with before you continue with your trading, because volatility may be expected around this time. Then at 2:15 p.m., you have the ADP non-farm employment change. Like I always would say, ADP non-farm employment change usually helps to give a pointer to what to expect on the first Friday of the month for the non-farm payroll reports. So you'll be expecting that on Wednesday at 2:15 p.m. And you may want to trade the numbers, you may want to just allow it to determine the trend, and then you will follow. Then at 4 p.m., ISM services PMI will be released also from the US. Okay, trade the numbers or allow the trend to be determined. Then by 7:45 p.m. same Wednesday, we'll be expecting a speech from the Fed chair, Jerome Powell, and you want to monitor that closely too. Make sure you have closed trades, you have your trades closed before this time, as this can trigger high volatility. Then on Thursday rather, unemployment claims at 2:30 p.m. and that will be the high impact event only for that will be out on Thursday for from the US. All right, so that'll be the only high impact event for Thursday. Then on Friday, the big day. All right, at 2:30 p.m., you have from Canada employment change, unemployment rates. Same time, you have from the US average hourly earnings. Month on month, you have the non-farm payroll or non-farm employment change, and then you have the unemployment rate. All of these are the ones that will shake the market on Friday. Right, so you want to be watchful, you want to plan ahead, you want to ensure that you have all your trades closed before this time and allow these indicators to determine the trend. Either they confirm or validate the trend or they define a new trend, then you can now find your way in. So that's the much that we can be expecting for this week from the economic calendar, and you want to monitor this closely. Please note again that nothing here is an investment advice, just a guide for educational purposes, and you want to use this to really make informed decisions. From all of us here at the Pipsoclock desk, we want to wish you a very wonderful and profitable Green Pips trading week. Thank you very much, and God bless you.